In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update practice address and contact info in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field controls, and how to make clean, accurate updates that show up the way you expect across your account. Start by opening SimplePractice and heading to Settings, then select Practice and click Practice Details. This page is your central hub for practice-level information. It's where you manage office locations, your practice email and phone, your billing addresses, and other details that clients may see on documents, reminders, and the client portal. Let's begin with office location. If you need to add a new location, choose Add a Location. Give it a clear, recognizable name, then enter the street address, city, and zip. If you operate a telehealth or virtual office, you can leave the street line empty and list only the city and zip to indicate service area without a physical street address. As you fill this out, double-check spelling, suite numbers, and postal formatting so forms and reminders display cleanly. When you're done, click Save Changes to lock it in. If you're updating an existing location, find that office in the list and click Edit. Adjust the address, city, zip, or the name to reflect what clients should see going forward. This is especially helpful after a move, or if you want to clarify which office is used on certain days. Again, click Save Changes so those edits are applied everywhere they need to appear. Next, in the same Practice Details area, review the billing address sections. You may see options for business billing, which is used for your own subscription invoices from SimplePractice, and client billing, which is what appears on client-facing invoices, statements, and superbills. You can keep these the same or make them different. For example, you might use a registered business address for business billing and a P.O. box for client billing. Make sure whatever you enter matches your official records, then save your updates. Lastly, scroll to the Practice Contact Info. Here you can update your practice email and other contact details. Replace outdated information with the current email and phone you want clients to use. This is the information that can appear on appointment reminders and in the client portal, so choose an inbox that's monitored and professional. After any changes, click Save Changes. Take a final glance over the Practice Details page to confirm everything looks accurate and consistent. That's it. Your practice address and contact information are now updated in SimplePractice.